Assalamualaikum dear student, standard nursery. It's your online class and I am Miss Nadia, your class teacher. Today we are gonna to learn English and Urdu subject. Let's move on to English subject, and in English subject we are gonna to learn alphabet with phonic sounds. So our first letter is U. Read it with me. U. U. Umpire. Read it with me. Umpire. Umpire. Next letter is V. V is for vegetables. V is for vegetables. 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 Next letter is W. W. Read it with me. W. Well. Well. Read it with me. Well. Next letter है X. X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Read it with me. X-ray. X-ray. Next letter है हमारा Y. Y. Read it with me. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Read it with me. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Next and last letter है हमारा Z. Zoo. Zoo. Read it with me. Zoo. Zoo. So it was all about English subject and now move to Urdu subject. उर्दू सब्जेक्ट में हमारे पास फर्स्ट हर्फ है मीम. म मुर्गा, माल्टा, मकड़ी. नेक्स्ट लेटर है नून. नाक. नाक. अगला हर्फ हमारे पास है वाव. वर्क. अगला हर्फ हमारे पास है वाव. वर्क. अगला हर्फ है हाथ. हाथ. अगला हर्फ है हमारे पास हमजा. सुई. अगला हर्फ है ये यक्का. इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट उर्दू सब्जेक्ट. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो बहुत जल्द आ जाएगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.